Next, some more. Physical constitution of calcaria. Without seeing, look at it. Fast. Fat, fair, flabby. Good. Next.
Fat but not fit.
Okay. Physical constitution. Slowness. Constitution. Big head and open frontal and moon face. Okay. Pot bellied. SARS smelling. Physical constitution. I am talking of only looking. Look. 3 and 4. And one more we learned today. Good. Sweat we learned something. Sweat killer है. नहीं एकदम calculator ही है. Oxyput है. ये आप कुछ भी भूल के जाओ. ये symptom मत भूलो. Okay, सब भूल जाना. ये एक symptom याद रखोगे तो भी बस. क्या है symptom? Perspiration, occiput and nape of neck. Then there is cold, sweaty palms and soles. Then we learned it has dirty brownish skin. Okay, जल्दी से मैला हो जाता है. Easy. Even after washing, patient child looks dirty. मैला. And it is also important remedy for infection, very easy infection of skin, because it is dirty, there is infection, pus formation, all that. Very important. First remedy which comes to our mind when we think of pus is what? Hepar sulfate. Hepar sulfate is what? Calcium. Calcarea sulfate. It is a burnt form of calcarea sulfate. So pustular formations, easy infections is also calculated. Okay, so we'll just summarize what we learned up till now. Then we will go into mind. Done? First, tell me location. Fast, rapid fire. Bones, muscles, nerves.
One at a time.
Wait. First, bones. आप बोलिए. Teeth. आप बोलिए. Bones हो गया. Bones, teeth is done. Next. Nerves and muscles. Right tongue, middle. Yes. And blood. What is the symptom? Easy loss of blood. Okay, now tell me symptom of nerve and muscles. Spasms and easy fatigability and
contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation.
Yeah, spasms. Yeah, and incoordination. Enough someone. So let's go ahead. Let's start with mind. Now see what N.M. Chaudhary has to say about mind of calcarea. He says the defective intellect is quite in keeping with the general state of malnutrition. What is the pathogenesis that Boger gave for calcarea? What is the principal affection that Boger got? Nutrition. What N.M. Chaudhary is saying about calcarea mind? Read. The defective intellect is quite in keeping with the general state of malnutrition. So, mind is also malnourished to be observed all through their system. So, can we see the general in the body and the mind? What is it? It is malnutrition. So, very simple. Now you can tell me what are the malnutrition symptoms in mind? Slow. One at a time. Memory weakness. Okay, good. Slow to learn. Good. And confusion. Lack of confidence. Indecisive. Lazy. Sluggish. Good. Now I will tell you his story of Calcarea that I am. Calcarea patient typically will come to you and he will say, Doctor, I think I have some stomach problem. Whatever the problem. It started because I don't eat healthy. I don't do exercise. I think that day I had some water not good. उसका infection हो गया. वो खाना was not so good. There was water change. So maybe because of that. Maybe because lot of oily food. Maybe the weather is very spoiled. Today's pollution, I feel maybe because of that I have had problem. Then he will have some problem. He will say, I have pain or something. When I have pain, then I become scared. असं भीती वाटते मला की काय असेल डॉक्टर, what is this? कॅन्सर वगैरे नसेल, काय असा मोठा आजार असेल का? Is this some big disease? You think I should get investigated? You should check. ठीक होएगा ना? मतलब you think it can get better? मतलब in homeopathy you have solution. मला ते डॉक्टर म्हटले, allopathic doctor I went so many. They said हाँ हो जाएगा but कुछ हुआ नहीं. मतलब homeopathy can help. Yes, it can help. अच्छा ठीक है बहू, औषध दिया तुम्ही बहू. And then you ask about fear. थोड़ा ये डर के बारे में बताओ. What you are scared of? नहीं, I am scared of this. I will get some big disease. Little bit more about your fear. नहीं, I am scared of everything actually. I am scared कि if I am standing here, I feel कि that mirror, that glass behind it will fall. I will also fall, then. Then I am sitting here, and then I will feel suddenly this chair will break and I will fall down. I am standing here, and then I will feel my wife has reached home safely. I will call. Very costly, ka? Right? Sometimes if the call does not connect, I go searching. Where you are? 15 minutes late, not picking up phone. This is one type of fear. And then especially their fear become what? At its peak when they see something violent. Something violent. Like for example the snake case we saw. Snake. Snake. They saw somebody, they went to the hospital, they saw someone was cut. They went to a funeral. I saw the dead body. My God. I saw a movie. Ghost dikha usme. My God. So when I am seeing something like that, I close my eyes. I saw, even in movie, even today, at this age, 40 years I am old. In movie I will see that there is some violence going on. I close my eyes. I will hide. Child generally will hide behind. And then what happens after this incidents is they have the incidences. वो जो incidents होता है ना, that particular incident that comes before their eyes constantly. मेरे को वही दिखता है. वो blood. I see the snake again, daily, every day, in my sleep, in my dreams, while I am walking, while I am sitting, while I am eating, every time. That thought keeps coming. keeps coming. I see, oh, this is there. Or I see that something like this is going to happen. Some kind of bad thing is going to happen. Some kind of harm is going to happen to me. So what they feel is, one is because I am so weak. Calcaria is weak, malnourished. He can't do anything. I am not strong. My bones are also brittle and very soft and so slow and so all this. So anything can come and affect me. Anything can come and harm me. So they are scared. Like for example, from the history I told you recently, what you see, when he came first, what he said, that something external is causing some harm to me. Food I ate, not healthy. Food I ate, infection. Food I ate, pollution, bad, it's harming me. So everything is coming and harming me. Ekdam normal daily things also, they feel they are going to come and harm him. They are going to cause some health issues for him. And that creates panic. And panic ka characteristic what it is? One is there is constant doubt that this can happen. This wrong can happen. That wrong can happen. This can go bad. That can go bad. This can happen. That can happen. One is constantly you are seeing the image of the fright or the whatever you saw. Two is after that you are constantly in doubt that something like that will happen again now. Are you getting the idea? Yes or no?
The fear lingers on.
Lingers से भी ज़्यादा lingers, there are so many remedies. I am trying to establish the characteristic. This is very important. If this symptom, like I told you, sweat का जो symptom है, वैसा ये वाला symptom है. अगर ये वाला symptom आपको समझ गया ना, आज आप ये दो symptom लेके जाओ बस. ये वाला symptom बहुत important है. एकदम अच्छा तरीके से समझ लो. One is what? Sweat. नहीं, fear. Fear is what? You see something frightful. I enumerated what all can cause fright. What happens? You see frightful and then you. First is you see the same image. Wapas, I keep seeing the snake. I keep seeing the snake. Snake. I keep seeing the blood. I keep seeing the funeral. Even in my dreams I see. Even if the ghost comes back in my dream, I keep seeing the same thing. That creates panic. That something like this can happen to me. I went to the funeral, I felt I will die. I will also die. I saw he has illness, he has gone to hospital. मेरे को भी इसकी तरह बीमारी हो गई. I saw in newspaper that this disease has this symptom. Even I may have this tomorrow.